go! Teen Talk Radio, powered by Excite All Stars. I'm your host, Marvin Henry.
And I'm your co-host, Kyle Carey.
And we're here with...
I'm Shelly Klontz from Birchmond Baptist Church in Fort Worth, Texas.
Yeehaw! Is it okay if we ask you some questions today?
Sure.
Okay. First question. What message would you like to leave with us?
Okay, we brought the message that God created each and every person and that He loves every single person with a big love. And He wants to have a personal relationship with each one of us. And to do that, the three things we need to do are admit that we are a sinner and believe in Jesus Christ as our Savior and Lord, and then C, confess our faith in Jesus Christ and share His love with the others around us.